All right, we are going to do a training on how to make your own packs. So right now we are currently in our Isalife app, and we're on the first one with the, let me show you. So the Isalife app right there. And we're going to click on the Isalife app and click on the person, the little guy on the bottom right. We're going to click on Share Isogenics.
I'm signing in.
Yep, go ahead and sign in. We'll do this together. Now, you may or may not have any of these packs. I've done quite a few packs. You can have up to 20 packs, and you can use the same link over and over. So if it's for a specific person, then I'll just go ahead and delete them. Otherwise, I've just made general packs that I can send out to people over and over and over again.
Okay, I'm signed in to the app. What do I do next?
Okay, so now you go to the little guy on the bottom right.
Uh-huh.
And then you should be where I'm at right now, where it says edit my recommended cart.
I hit that guy.
Yeah, okay. Hit the guy. Oh, I'm sorry. Then share Isogenics.
Hold on.
So scroll down and you'll see share Isogenics.
Okay.
Okay. Do you see edit my recommended carts? Yeah. Cool. Click on that. Then we're going to get into our back office. So we're going to go from the app to the back office, back to the app, just to understand the logistics. So go ahead and log in. Tell me when you're logged in.
Okay.
Okay, do you see create new recommended cart?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and click on that. This is for the 6-pack. We're going to click on create new recommended cart. Then you're going to get to the page where it asks for the lifestyle rewards. Stay with lifestyle rewards. They get to save an additional 5% on their future orders. This also allows you an opportunity to get the Kickstart rewards. Without the lifestyle rewards being on their account, you don't get the bonus and they don't get the free shipping or the 5% discount on their next order. Okay, they can change this at any time, but start them off with lifestyle rewards. Okay, now we're at the ordering. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so click on catalog at the lower bottom, lower left side, catalog. And let's just go ahead and do a pack for collagen. Even though I sent you that link, let's go ahead and have you make your own. So now you should have a catalog of all of our products. You want to click on the down arrow. I did the new products for collagen. And I'm going to click on the Beauty Afterglow bundle, which they're all the new products and everything we have are listed. But I want to go ahead and do the 60-pack.
Okay.
Okay, are you with me?
Yeah.
Great. So scroll down and add to cart. And then continue. The price is right. Everything looks good. Hit continue. Now we're going to set up the lifestyle rewards. I always set people up on the same pack that they ordered from, unless it's a value pack or a premium. Then I'll go with a 30-day and add vitamins or whatever it is that they're focused on. Otherwise, I stick with the same order. If you ever don't know what to set them up with, you can set them up with this daily wellness pack, which is 2 shakes, an Ionics cleanse, and $50. It's $174. It's 115 BV. I don't set them up with just one product, and I don't set them up with something that I don't know if they want or not. So I either do the daily wellness or I repeat initial order. In this case, we're going to repeat initial order. They can change it. Then I'm going to click next when everything looks right, price is right, quantity's right. Are you with me,
Right
Cindy?
now, the only thing on there is the 6-pack.
Yep. That's correct, because that's all we're doing on this one. So then when you get to this part, you name it. So you can either name it for a specific person and send to them, but then you can't reuse this over and over again. So I'm going to just name this a 60 pack or a collagen 6-pack. And then I can use it over and over and over again. I click done. I'm not going to save it because I have so many of these saved already, but you would hit save. And now you have that link saved. So Cindy, tell me when you're good with that.
So I named it Collagen 60 pack.
Perfect.
Is that good?
Yep. And
Okay.
then save it. So I'm not doing anything else with this. I'm just saving it. Did you get that?
Yeah, it's doing it.
It's saving it? Okay, I'll go ahead and click save and then I'll delete it. So I can show you. This is where you want to get back to. You don't want to actually enroll the person. When it says enroll, you click out. So now I'm going to get out of the back office and I'm going to go back into Isalife.
Wait a minute.
So now I got out and I'm going to click back on Isalife.
So I just log out of the back
Yep.
office.
Yep.
Um,
And then you want to get back into your Isalife app.
do I need to re-sign in, or
Um,
'cause right now it didn't show up in my back office?
Oh, Sue, you may not be able to do this just yet. Let me know if you can't, and then just use that link that I sent you. Once you upgrade, you can for sure do all of this. You'll know if it gives you that ability, since you're not an associate just yet.
Okay, now it showed up.
Try the washer though, or the dryer. So Sue, try it and get into your Isalife and they'll see if it allows you to share Isogenics. If it doesn't, then you do have to upgrade, but don't upgrade just yet. I'm very strategic on how I have you upgrade. So until you upgrade, just use that link that I sent you. You're fine. And then once you upgrade, then you'll have this access. I'll just make you carts until then. All right.
Okay.
So are you back in Isalife, Cindy?
Yeah, I clicked on it. I got it showed up. I clicked on it. It says you want to share it, and then it comes up here where I can share it in message. I can share it in mail. I can share it in Facebook.
Excellent. So you went through the process, right? And perfect. That's how you make carts and how you share them.
Now let me see if I can go and make another.